Hello you beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. But if you're watching this face for the very first time or if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, then please go hit the red button below and join my YouTube fam. Please don't mind my energy levels and my voice today because I got some fever yesterday. And yes, I am so excited for today's video because I've got you guys some really nice skincare products from Amazon. अभी मुझे 4 to 5 days हुए हैं सारे products को receive हुए तब से ही मैं इन्हें यूज़ कर रही हूँ and I have to tell you guys I've been really enjoying using all of these and I hope you guys will love them too. I have this 2 boxes full of skincare products that I have to show to you guys today. तो आपको इनमें से कुछ ना कुछ तो ज़रूर पसंद आ ही जाएगा and yes I'll be really quick because otherwise वीडियो बहुत लंबी हो जाएगी. मैंने अभी बहुत देर कर दी है इतना कुछ बोल करके. So I don't think we should waste any more time. So let's get started. Okay, so as you guys know, like I have intense dark circles and I have like a lot of pigmentation under my eyes. So that's why I got this under eye cream by the Moms Co. And so it is their natural Vita Rich under eye cream. It says that it reduces dark circles, puffiness and fine lines. I mean I cannot say about that because उसके लिए तो मुझे like I'll have to use this for around a month or so. ये मतलब डार्क सर्कल्स एंड ऑल के बारे में तो बताने के लिए बट ऑल आई कैन से इज़ कि मैंने इसे जब से ही मुझे रिसीव हुई है तब से यूज़ कर रही हूँ एंड आई हैव बीन रियली एन्जॉइंग यूजिंग दिस बिकॉज मैं इसे रात को लगाती हूँ रोज़ अपनी लाइक अंडर आइज़ पे अच्छे से एंड ये ना मुझे सुबह तक इवन पूरे अगले दिन भी मेरी आइज़ एकदम हाइड्रेटेड रहती है. हैव टू जस्ट क्लिक फ्रॉम हेयर एंड द प्रोडक्ट विल पॉप आउट ऑन दिस रोलर एंड उसके बाद बस आपको अच्छे से मसाज करना है एंड देन जो एक्स्ट्रा प्रोडक्ट रह जाएगा ना उसे आपको बस अपनी फिंगर से अच्छे से इवन आउट कर देना है. आई गॉट दिस फॉर अराउंड 354 रुपीज. I think 15 grams for 354 rupees. And next up I got a face wash. So I got this face wash by Simple and it is a moisturizing facial wash. This is a moisturizing and this is a moisturizing face wash. And like I've been really enjoying using this because it doesn't leave my skin dry at all after its use. So that's the best part. So as you guys know I have like really dry skin. तो कई face wash ना skin के ऊपर बहुत harsh होते हैं मतलब यूज़ करने के बाद ना बहुत ज़्यादा ड्राई स्किन हो जाती है बट दिस इज़ नॉट द केस विद दिस वन. इसको यूज़ करने के बाद बहुत सॉफ्ट सी स्किन लगने लगती है. इट सेज दैट इट इज़ डर्मेटोलॉजिकली टेस्टेड which is also great. If you are like anywhere near to normal to dry skin you're gonna love this. I got this for around 315 rupees, that too for like 150 ml. Like the quantity is a lot. Okay. Then I got this moisturizing cream and this is by Cetaphil. I think that's how we pronounce the name. And it also says that it is dermatologically recommended for sensitive skin type. And I know you guys must have heard about this cream पहले भी. Even I have also heard about this, but मैंने कभी इसे use नहीं करा था. But now that I have started using this, I am so much like why didn't I use it before? मतलब जब मुझे पहले से पता था इसके बारे में तो मैंने पहले क्यों नहीं खरीदा इसे? Because it is that good, okay? You just need to take a very small amount of it, but like I don't know, it has that very different texture. It's not like that normal जो जैसे cold creams and all या normal moisturizing creams होती है ना. It has this very I don't know how to explain it but very different texture but it feels so good on the skin and I got this for around 372 rupees for 80 grams but I think again this is worth trying. Okay, then moving on, then I got a clay mask. So this is by Dot & Key and this is their glow reviving vitamin C pink clay mask. So like including vitamin C in your daily skincare routine is like really beneficial like to provide that glow to your skin. Product is also really nice. Okay, so this is how this looks like and you just need to apply its layer on your skin and you need to let it dry and then just wash it off. Like it is really simple to use. Even comes with this spatula which you can use like to take the product out and all. And yes, I got this for around 442 rupees, that too for 85 gram of the products which is like not bad considering the brand and the quality. तो guys इसके अंदर ना और भी कई सारे variants थे. I think ये green mask भी था तो वो भी मैं links दे दूँगी description box के अंदर. Okay, then moving on, then I got a dry shampoo. Guys must have heard about this. So this is by Batiste. I think that's how you pronounce it. Okay, like it's just a spray and you just need to like spray it like that on your roots और अच्छे से थोड़ा ऐसे टेम डाउन करना है एंड थोड़ी देर के बाद लाइक द ऑयल विल डिसअपियर फ्रॉम योर हेयर। लाइक इट्स नॉट लाइक यू शुड यूज दिस एवरी सिंगल टाइम, मतलब आप शैम्पू ही नहीं करो, हमेशा यूज करो, ऐसा नहीं है, बट लाइक इफ यू हैव इमरजेंसी एंड ऑल। सो अभी मुझे एक बार ट्राई करना था, तो इसलिए दिस टाइम आई गॉट ओनली लाइक अ स्मॉल बॉटल ऑफ दिस। आई गॉट दिस 50 ml bottle for around 299 rupees. Then I got an anti-aging cream for my parents, my mom and dad. I got this cream by Minimalist and this is their Granactive Retinoid cream. And you guys, जिस भी cream के अंदर retinol होता है ना, that is known for anti-aging purposes. My mom and dad use this every night. They really like using it. So yes, if you want to buy this for your parents, you can definitely go ahead. Or like if you are above age 25 or so, even then you can apply this. And I got this for around some 600 rupees, so it was definitely not cheap. And you guys, what you see on my lips now, this is Laneige lip sleeping mask. मैंने आपको शायद अपनी पिछली वीडियो के अंदर भी दिखाया था। ये ना मैंने अभी लाइक 2-3 घंटे से लगाया हुआ इसे, and you can just see, like just look at this. It provides so much hydration and अभी तक भी ऐसे बिल्कुल ऐसे लग रहा है lip gloss on my face. I really like this. Okay, then moving on, then I got a foot cream. So this is by Wadi. I think that's how we pronounce it. मैं सारे names मुझे लग रहा है गलत ले रही हूँ इस वीडियो में, but like please ignore that. So yes, this is the cream and it says that it has clove oil and sandalwood. My feet are like always dry, so I really wanted this. मतलब इसके अंदर ना बहुत strong ऐसे lime fragrance है. I like it. और I don't mind it, but otherwise it feels very moisturizing. Cracks on your feet ना आप तब भी इसे use कर सकते हैं कि help to heal them. It is really important to take care of your like body as well, like your feet, your hands, as much as you take care of your face and all. And I got this just for 165 rupees, and for 165 even the quantity we get is amazing. Okay, so next up I got 3 products from L'Oreal. So सबसे पहले I got their really famous this hyaluronic acid serum. तो मुझे हाइलुरोनिक एसिड सीरम कोई तो मतलब ट्राई करना था, एंड लाइक मैंने सुना है कि एक डॉट एंड की का भी बहुत अच्छा है हाइलुरोनिक एसिड सीरम, बट सबसे पहले आई वांटेड टू ट्राई दिस वन एंड येस आई मीन इट ऑल्सो फील्स रियली हाइड्रेटिंग ऑन द स्किन एज इट क्लेम्स। मैं इसे रोज सुबह अप्लाई करती हूँ, जस्ट 15 ml बॉटल, लेकिन मुझे एड्स एंड ऑल में या मतलब इवन साइड के ऊपर देख करके ना मुझे ये बॉटल थोड़ी सी मतलब बड़ी लगी थी, मुझे लगता बड़ी आएगी, बट दिस इज जस्ट फॉर 15 ml. I got this for around 374 rupees. So then next up, then I got a hair serum by L'Oreal. So this is the one, you must have heard about this as well. So this is their extraordinary oil serum. You guys, this is the one, and like मैंने इसे भी यूज करा है, इनफैक्ट अभी मैंने कल ही यूज करा था. I washed my hair. एक पंप ही बहुत होता है इसका, ठीक है, ये लेकर के एंड्स के ऊपर लगा लेती हूँ अच्छे से, एंड अगर आपको तभी रिजल्ट नहीं भी पता चलता ना, तो नेक्स्ट तक ना डेफिनेटली हेयर फील सो स्मूथ. ओके, सो यू गाइस, इट हैज अ रियली नाइस फ्रेग्रेंस. इसमें से ना एकदम लाइक इट स्मेल्स almost like those luxurious saloons. It smells exactly like that. So even your hair smell really nice. I got this for around I think 449 rupees if I'm not wrong. अगर आपके hair बहुत dry रहते हैं ना नीचे से, तो you can just like apply this रात में and सुबह उठने बाद your hair will feel really soft. ये तो मैंने खुद भी experience किया. Moving on to the last product I have from L'Oreal today. So this is their Dream Length shampoo and like you can see like इतनी अच्छी quantity है इसकी. Okay, this is for 396 ml and I got this for just around 284 rupees, which is great. And it says that it repairs long damaged hair, so it is like mainly for the length. तो अगर आपके split ends and all हैं या फिर बहुत ऐसे dry ends हैं again, उसके लिए this is like really good. And it says it has keratin and castor oil, which is like really good for your hair. And I got this like very normal cream. This is by Nivea and this is their light moisturizing cream. So like this is a very normal cream. I always keep this in stock in my house because all of my family members, including even me, we use this. जब हमें कोई भी cream नहीं मिलती है, कुछ भी नहीं मिलती है ना, we always go back to this because yeah, it is like really moisturizing on the skin and all. तो basic कुछ भी आपको अगर basic use करना है तो this is worth trying, and I think I got this for around 239 rupees for 300 ml, so that's like really great. So yes, I hope you liked the video, and if you did, then please make sure you hit that thumbs up button, and also you guys please make sure you subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. So and you can also hit the notification bell button so that you get notified जब भी मैं ऐसी और भी recommendations video या और भी बहुत सारी videos post करूँ तो. And yes, thank you for all your love, and yes, I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye, love you.